how to get local channels on Roku. I'm going to show you how to watch local channels on your Roku device. First, open up the Roku channel store by pressing the home button and select streaming channels. Next, search for local news channel by typing in your city's name. Many local stations have free apps like ABC, NBC, CBS, or Fox affiliates. Another option is the Roku channel, which offers free local news in many areas. Just open the app and check the news section. For live broadcast channels, you can connect an HD TV antenna to your television and use the live TV tile on Roku. Last option for you is to subscribe into a YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, or Sling TV. These are local channels with a subscription.